Hello gorgeous, this is Melanie from Makeup by Melanie B, and today I'm going to do a very pretty warm eye look. Let's get started. I've already done foundation. I am going to go ahead and do a little bit more under eye concealing, and I'm going to use the light ivory liquid. And yeah, I'm going ham, y'all. I'm going ham because these bags and these circles have gotten out of control. I've been sick for so long. We'll have to really do some major work. Okay, might need to add a little bit of pure beige. I thought I had gotten so light that it would be the right color, but it's a little light still, which is really nice though. I haven't blended it completely, but I like the brightness. So what I'm gonna do is just go over it a little bit with some pure beige. What I love about these concealers is they don't add weight under the eye, so I'm not like adding layer and layer of crepiness and wrinkles and all that stuff. They're very lightweight, very thin, and not cakey. So let me use a mirror and actually blend. That seems to help a little bit. Now let's go in with some eyes. Okay, you guys, this is it. I'm done. Hope you guys love it. I will put all the links in the bottom, the products that I used, so that you know what I was using throughout the video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, go join us at the group. And I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you as always for watching.